Frida Maharani Putri. I'm from SSL Plan. Today, I want to be a reporter. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Thanks, Captain, on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. I'm bringing you newest information about education that happened during this weekend. You are with me, Anina Frida Maharani Putri of VOA. Faisal Adnan. Should English lesson be omitted at elementary school? Today, Sunday, June 9, 2013, the issue of omitting English lesson in elementary school curriculum is getting hotter. The government's plans to Ministry of Education and Culture to omit English lesson in academic year 2013-2014 demands many different kinds of responses. Many language experts from some reputable universities support this plan. They say that it will be able to increase students' ability in speaking Indonesian. On the other hand, many students, parents, and teachers oppose this plan. They say that it will be able to increase students' ability in speaking Indonesian. They think that basic education is supposed to support the current curriculum. It shouldn't have impact by omitting English lesson, which is considered to be important for elementary school students. That was the newest information which I have to you, and I will meet again with some information tomorrow afternoon on VOA. Thank you, that is my performance, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.